Hello friends, today we are making aloo ka paratha. For this we need potatoes boiled, chili, garlic and ginger paste. It is optional. Salt as taste, onion. I have wheat dough, chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder, oil. Now we will mash the potatoes and add onions in it. Red chili powder half teaspoon as per your taste, spicy taste. If you want you can add more. Half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon coriander powder. Now we have to mix it well. Salt as taste. The paste, coriander, chili, ginger and garlic paste. You can add or it is optional. We will mix it well. Now it is ready. Now we are going to make the paratha. First we are going to make a ball and give it bowl like structure. And we will put the ball of aloo potato.
उसमें आलू का मिश्रण
make a ball like this
भर देंगे
and
आलू का
cover it with the dough.
और उसको बंद कर देंगे.
Now take the wheat flour and roll it with your hand, or you can roll it with the rolling
pin. कोई बेलता है तो
pin.
कोई हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पर हाथ से ही किया है. यहाँ हमारा तवा गरम हो चुका है.
Now add it on the hot pan and you have to keep the pan hot. Spread the oil around, pour the oil around the paratha. Now cook it from one side. You can see it is cooked, but it should cook more. And make how many you want like this. So this is how to make aloo paratha. You can try this and eat this, have it with curd and pickle, mango pickle. If you like my video, please like it, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.